duck, oh dear, thy mantle good, what stain with blood? Approach, ye furies foul! Oh, fate, conquer! Cut thread and thrum! Quail, crush, conclude, and quell!
Passion and the death of a good friend go near to make a man look sad.
Be sure my heart, but I pity this man.
Oh, wherefore nature didst thou lions brave? Since lion vile hath here deflowered my dear.
Devoured!
Which is, which was the fairest dame that lived, that loved, that liked, that looked with cheer. Come, tears confound, out sword and wound the pap of Pyramus. I, that left pap, where heart doth hop, thus die I. Thus. Now am I dead. Now am I fled. My soul is in the sky. Tongue, lose thy light. Moon, take thy flight. Moon. Now. Ja! Ja! Ja!
How many times did you say that?
Ja!
Surgeon may yet recover and prove himself an ass. Look, yonder comes Thisbe. Her passion ends the play.
She has spied him already with her sweet eyes.
Sweet my love! Dead my dove! Oh, Pyramus, arise! Speak! Speak! Why, dumb? Dead! Dead! The tomb must cover thy sweet eyes! These my lips! This cherry nose! Countenance cheeks are gone! Gone! Lovers make moan! Read his leaves! Let them endure censure offshore! The shears his thread of silk! Tongue not a word! Come! Pussy! Lord! Oh, play my breast bamboo! Farewell, friends! Thus this be ends! Adieu! Adieu! Adieu!